Hello, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions. Today we're going to do a quick recap of the past 3 weeks and provide a bonus offer. As part of our Augment Your Cybersecurity series, we review topics to help protect your company's assets. We began with email safeguards and discussed being careful when clicking on links and how you can preview them. We also reviewed encrypted email and that you should encrypt any email containing sensitive information. In week 2, we provided suggestions for protecting users and employees accessing your environment. We recommended implementing password policies and a single sign-on solution. Also, everyone should partake in security awareness training. Please note this may be mandatory based on your compliance requirements. Lastly, we offered advice on protecting your network. We want you to be safe from both external and internal threats. To achieve this, you should deploy a firewall device, an antivirus product, and maintain a patch/update schedule. Download our ebooks for more insight and visit our website to see a library of past videos. As a bonus, we would like to extend a free offer for a cyber health checkup to the first 10 clients who contact us. Reach out to us at info@drpsolutions.com or call our main line at 631-873-4560.